My name is Jay. I'm an all-star host here in New York City, and I am on my way to an event that Turo is hosting to scale up your car and a few other things that they're probably going to talk about. And it just so happened that I have a booking for tonight right after the event. So I am in my blue Tesla, and we're heading to the car wash, and then we'll head to the event. So first we got to prep the cars. My name is Jay, and I am a New York City Turo all-star host with a fleet of 2 Teslas. We have a Turo event that we're going to go to where they are going to talk about scaling fleets and a few other things. We'll see obviously when we get there. And I just so happen to have a booking later in the evening for this Tesla Model 3. This is the blue one. And we have to go get a wash because it did rain and it just came back from a trip. So a little vacuuming, lights, nothing crazy. So let's head to the car wash and then we'll head to the event. The guest that booked this vehicle this is their first booking. They just created the account or became a Turo customer. And they still haven't sent their license information or anything like that. And it's already 4 o'clock. The booking's not till 9:30. So I already sent her a message reminding her to, submit it, but we shall see. All right, we made it to this car wash here. It's near the spot that the Turo event is going to be at. So let's wash the car. It looks hand washed. Let's get it. All right, so this is that one where there's like a little track where the car just moves. So you're basically driving and they're just doing everything. So pretty cool though. Since we're here, we're going to do the pictures for the guest. And here they are. The pictures are done. Let's head to the Turo event and see what they got to say. All right, we got to the location. Gonna enter the building now. See what's good. All right, just finished the Turo event. It was a lot. We spoke about some good stuff. We'll see how we implement. And yeah, I have to gather my thoughts. Now I gotta go and see if this car is gonna get rented or not. I'm here at the drop-off location, just waiting for my Uber, and then we'll see if this guy shows up. She hasn't submitted her license, hasn't submitted anything. So policy is 2 hours. We shall see in 2 hours. I was editing my video and I completely forgot to end it. So the car came back perfect. No issues other than it being dirty, but that's not really the guest's fault, on the outside at least. And yeah, and for this booking, this is how much I made. And that's it. So appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and continue on this Turo journey. Peace.